The last topic in the part 2 is the 20th topic. Here we will graph equations and inequalities. Now, most important thing you must remember is doesn't matter what is the equation, you need to get it's all about linear, so it will be only the power 1. You need to get this to slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Doesn't matter what is the equation. Here y must be alone, so take this x to the other side, it becomes minus x plus 1. So this would be the slope intercept form here. Okay, so here you must get it into slope intercept form. Now after that y, once we get this, you can easily make the table from the calculator. How? Mode 7. Once when you press mode 7, you get f of x. That is the y value. What is the answer? Minus alpha x plus 1. You should type this equation as it is. Now press equal to. Some of your calculator might get this again another option for g of x. Tell nothing, just press equal to because we have put the function already. Which value of x do you want to start? Let me take some minus 2, or let me take minus 3. And where do you want to end? Let's take, say, 3, positive 3. And what is the step? Let me get 1, 1, 1. If you put 0.5, then you'll get negative 2, negative 1.5, 1, 2, so on. Every difference between each value will be 0.5. Let's put 1 on this step and look at the table. Negative 3 is 4, negative 2 is 3, 2, 1. You can see all the answers will match. So you can easily get the table from the calculator. Now you know how to plot. X is minus 2 and y is 3. This is minus 2, 3. This is the thing. Same way, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. All these points and draw the straight line. That is it. That is how we can easily graph. Now this would be the exactly, there are other methods as well. Now for example, looking at this equation, y equals minus x plus 1. You can see the x value is negative, the slope is negative. That means the line goes down. And since it's plus 1, the intercept is 1. So this is one more way easily you can figure out the graph. So basically, you know this is negative, so it will be downwards, and this intercept is 1. So only one graph will be like this, downwards and passing through 1. Okay, or you can just do this graph tables and you can get it out. Now over here, this is already in slope intercept form. Just make the table again, use this calculator. Over here, mode 7, and type this minus 3 alpha x minus 2, and let's give the starting value of minus, say, 3 and ending at 4. Step is 1. You got the table. See, the table is there. Now you can check. At minus 3, what is the answer? 7. Let's see, at minus 3. Yes, it's 7. At minus 2, what is the answer? 4. Minus 2, yes, absolutely. At minus 1, it is minus 1, positive 1. At 0, it is negative 2. Yes, all the values match. It should match. Now, once you get this graph, or you can just look over here, negative 3x, that means, and minus 2. So the y-intercept is at minus 2. Negative means it's downwards. What does this 3 mean? It means at x is equal to 1. See, now you should start from here. The slope is 3. That over here, when x value of 1 is taken, the y value, see over here it's 1, over here the y value is 3. So that is the thing. That's it. Now let me take a proper one. See, now for example, if I take this much, it's 2. Now 1, 2, 3. This is also 2 units. Basically 1 unit over here and 3 units. The rise is like this. Sorry, x is 1. But if this is confusing, don't worry. Just look at the negative sign. It's downwards. Intercept is minus 2. And what you need to do is you can use the table from the calculator and check the plots. But here it is inequality. Y is greater than or equal to, once you get the graph, remember this greater than or equal to, whenever you have this, it is a solid line. If it was only greater than, say it was only like this, greater than, then it would be dotted line like this. Since it's greater than or equal to, it is a solid line. And what else? It's greater than or equal to means all the above. Greater means it's above, right? All the above part is the solution region. This is all the solution. If it was less than or equal to, then all the downside will be the solution region. That is how we figure it out. Same thing over here. You can do the slope intercept form. That would be 2y greater than minus x plus 6, and divide both the sides by 2, you will get y greater than minus half x plus 3. So this would be the equation. See, half is minus 0.5, minus half is 0.5, and then plus 3. Now in this graph you can see plus 3 over here. Yes, it's negative, it's downward, slope is half. Next, since it's only greater than, it is dotted lines, and y value, see over here, y is greater than all the values, upside is correct. Or you can use the calculator and find the points. Same way you can check these rest of the graphs. You need to make sure you solve this into slope intercept form, and you can do it in different methods, but stick to one method, you will get the correct answer. Do the table method, you will get the answer. Okay. So please make sure you do this all by yourself and then check the answers. If you're confusing, here y is equal to negative 3. There is no x value. So it doesn't matter which x value you take, the answer for y is always negative 3. It's a straight line. You can just see this is equal to negative 3. That means, where is minus 3? Here, draw a straight line. Now over here, same like what we have just now done. Please make sure you see it. And since it's only greater than, but look here, what happens is, I will solve this up. Take this 4 to the other side, it becomes minus 3y greater than minus 4x plus 12. Then you need to divide both the sides by 3. You will have minus y greater than negative 4 by 3x plus 12. Sorry, 12 divided by 3 will be 4. Now you can see this y is negative. You need to remove this negative sign. How? The rule states that whenever there is inequality, you're changing a sign, you need to change all the sign throughout. If you're changing y sign, this also becomes positive. 4, 3x positive. This positive becomes negative. You have to change sign of all the terms. But this inequality changes. This is very important. Is that clear? This is very, very important. How we can understand one more is, move this to the other side. It becomes positive. This you're moving to the other side. This is greater than now. That is the thing. So please make sure this you remember this. Now you can see y is less than. So that means it's all downwards. See, the graphing is all downside. So please make sure you understand the changing the signs and changing the signs and changing the inequality. Other than that, it's all straightforward. We have already solved most of these. Please make sure you solve it by yourself. All the answers are there. You can pause the video and check the answers if you want. So very, very straightforward. Just that you can use different types of method, various methods, and you'll get it. Here the intercept method is used. You know, x-intercept means y is 0 and find the answer. And x-intercept is 16. Y-intercept is 32. And just joining them. That is also possible. Table method, various methods are possible. So it's up to you. You can choose any of this method. All the answers are there. So for inequality, please do stick to the slope intercept form and then see over here. Okay. This is a test value, test point. This is not required. Once you have the slope intercept form over here, see, positive 3/4. So it's upwards. It's increasing. Plus 6 means over here, and greater than or equal to solid line, and greater than or equal to means upside. That's it. So you can follow these tricks and then all the time you can easily check the answer. That is it. So let's look at all the answers. Last three more to go. Now over here, when you simplify this, see over here, there is no x term. When you simplify this, what is happening? Y is less than or equal to 4. So draw a graph at y equals 4. Draw this graph, and then less than or equal to means all the line downwards are the shaded region. Same way over here, you can easily graph it by table method. And over here, and last question is this one over here. I hope this is clear. It is very, very simple. There is 35 to 52, plenty of questions. Please try to solve them by yourself and then check the answers. In the next topic, we will go through the part 3, that is the writing part. Please stay tuned. I will try to do that part as soon as possible.